Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, we're going to be adding the DMARC and CNAMEs to your domain. So most likely, if you recently got an email from Shopify saying that you need to add your DMARC or CNAMEs to your domain in order for you to be able to continue sending emails, then this is the video that you want to watch. Now, I'm going to use Shopify and I'm going to use GoDaddy, which is one of the biggest providers. You should have the same, you should need to follow the same process for any other email provider that you have out there. So yeah, with that being said, let's get into it. So if you're in your Shopify store right now, you want to click here in the bottom, on the bottom left where it says settings. So once you're in settings, you come here, scroll down all the way to notifications. In notifications, you're going to see your email here, and then you're going to have this message that says that you need to authenticate your domain. So pretty much we're going to be clicking here to authenticate the domain, and it's going to open up some instructions on how to add the CNAMEs to your domain. So now what you want to do is just read these instructions and follow them. I'm going to do it right now. Pretty simple. So you want to open your payment, your DNS provider on a different tab. I opened it already. So you want to find your domains, and inside your domains you want to go where it says DNS. So this is a domain, and I'm clicking here where it says DNS. Sorry, that is in Spanish. I don't know how to change the English, the language here. All right, so once you're in DNS here, you're going to see all the information of your domain. So you want to add just more CNAME stuff. So we're going to click here to add a new one. We're going to select CNAME, and then we are just going to copy and paste. Host name goes under name, and then value goes under value. You don't need to edit the TTL. This is just tells you how often this is going to be refreshed. So you just do that for the first one, then we're going to do that for the second one. This will be record number 2. So record number 2, same thing, CNAME. Then we go host name, copy the host name, and then value, we copy the value, same thing. And you're gonna do this 2 more times. We just did it for record number 1 and record number 2. You wanna repeat the process for record number 3 and record number 4. All right, so authenticate it right away. Record number 3, save, and then record number 4, paste. All right, now you have all of them created. You're gonna see them here. Here 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once those are created, this is unique for every email, guys. So for every email you have, you'll have to create your own CNAMEs. So if you copy and paste what I have here, this is not gonna work for you. This has to be specifically generated by Shopify for your domain. So authenticate domain, and then you're gonna have this message. Once it's authenticated, it can take up to 24 hours. You'll see a green thing here saying it has been authenticated. All right. Now the second step of this is gonna be adding a DMARC to your domain. So first we're gonna go to this website. Let me just copy my domain. We're gonna go to this website, DMARC inspector. That's where you're gonna paste our domain here, inspect the domain, and you're gonna see here that we weren't able to identify a DMARC record. All right, now what we wanna do now is create a DMARC record for our domain, and then come back here again and check again, and it will say that it's enabled now. So pretty simple. We're gonna just add this thing, DMARC. I mean, these instructions are instructions sent by Shopify. I'm just breaking it down for you guys. So we're gonna go to add a new one. This time we're gonna select text. Here on name, we're gonna be adding this one, DMARC, and then on value we're gonna come here and we're gonna copy this and on value, we're gonna paste this. And what's gonna happen here is you have here the DMARC pin on, and here what you wanna change is your domain. So here is gonna have the Solamora. You just change it for your domain. So hey reality in this case. So this is gonna be dmreports@herality.com, and that's pretty much it. We just save it, and that's it. It took us 6 minutes to get everything done. You wanna come back here 24 hours, refresh, and make sure that this has been connected correctly. If it didn't, just review the configuration and make sure that you copy and paste it exactly without like spaces or anything. You just copy and paste whatever Shopify gives you. And then you want to go here, inspect the domain again. Then when you come back here, you're just going to put your domain, click inspect the domain, and you're going to see that now your domain is connected and has a DMARC record. So that's pretty much it. 7-minute process, pretty simple. See you in the next video.